Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN Index S2 Scale. In this video I'll show you how to check weather on the scale. Firstly, stand on the scale barefoot. Wait until it activates. And now tap with your right foot like this, after weight in. And this is the weather. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.